If you're seeing SurveyMonkey Error 2, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to your survey without wasting time. This is usually caused by a browser issue, a temporary session problem, or cached data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that most people can fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, try the simplest fix, refresh the page. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser. Sometimes SurveyMonkey Error 2 is just a temporary loading issue, and a quick refresh is all it takes to restore the page properly. If the error disappears, you're good to go. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to log out and log back in again. Sign out of your SurveyMonkey account completely, then close the tab if needed and sign in again with your username and password. This helps reset your session and can fix issues caused by an expired or broken login session. If the error was tied to your account session, this step often clears it up. Now for the most important fix, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective solutions for Error 2 because outdated cookies or stored browser data can interfere with SurveyMonkey loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to the privacy or history section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to clear both cache and cookies, then confirm the action. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying SurveyMonkey again. A full restart is important because it forces the browser to load a fresh version of the site. If you still see the error, try opening SurveyMonkey in Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This is a helpful test because Incognito Mode disables most saved cookies and extensions, which means you can check whether the issue is coming from your regular browser profile. Open a private window, sign in again, and see if SurveyMonkey works there. If it does, then the problem is probably related to your browser cache, cookies, or an extension in your normal window. Next, if the issue is still happening, try a different browser or device. Switch from Chrome to Edge, Firefox, or Safari, depending on what you're using. If you're on a computer, you can also try loading SurveyMonkey on your phone or on another device entirely. This helps you figure out whether the error is specific to one browser or one device. If SurveyMonkey works somewhere else, then the issue is likely local to your original browser setup. As an extra tip, if you use browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, temporarily disable them and test again. Sometimes those extensions interfere with website functionality and can trigger loading errors. Also make sure your browser is fully updated, since outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with modern websites. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, log out and back in, clear your cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, and then test a different browser or device. In most cases, one of these steps will fix SurveyMonkey Error 2 and get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.